Are we live? My goodness, I was talking for like 3 minutes and I noticed the screen went back to regular. Okay, let me begin from the beginning. Holding on. Yes. Alrighty. Dang it. Hello from hotter than Hades, Fort Wayne, Indiana. I hope everyone's doing well. Okay, I did this yesterday. I put the Tree of Musical Life onto this paint pour. I'm not sure if I like it. Let me know in the comments what you think. Yay or nay. It's hideous. I love it. Let me know. Okay. So, I'll forget the part. Yeah, I even leveled this. Oh, and things be fallen. Yep, things be fallen. I even set you here and let you watch me level things. Oh, my goodness. I had to put another lid over here because it wasn't level. And I was actually complimenting the lids because they are of great use for leveling. Just need a little bit, boop, put a little lid on there. Okay. Calm down. I'm going to try. I am going to try. Alrighty. Today I'm thinking about using reds because of the heat. Don't you think that's appropriate? And what else we going to use? I don't know, and I don't think we're going to do a blowout. I think we're going to actually do a tilt. Shocking, isn't it? Yep. So, give me one moment, and, oh, goody, yeah, the things came back up. Give me a moment, let me get the paints together, and we'll be right back. Oh, by the way, this is Jackie from the basement. Happy with the Twist Acrylic Pours Plus. Oh, my gracious, we have days and days of heat. I'll be right back. Would you believe I've forgotten how to do it without using a blow dryer? Oh, my gracious. We're going to fill up a cup and do one of those cup thinger bobbers. Heaven help us all. We're going to start out with the Amsterdam Titanium White. Alrighties. Oh, please be good. And you know what? I'm doing this before I take a shower. What? Okay. We might have our smart cap on today. And I found all the reds that I could down there. Let's go with the DecoArt Americana Ultraviolet plus a bloop of black and a bloop of neon blue and a teaspoon of gold. Oh boy, I almost shook it without checking to see if there's a cap on there. And we're going to put some navy into here, my custom navy. And let's go with the Arteza Pearl Strawberry Red. Not sure how this is going to turn out, but we will see. Won't we? Yes. Okay, there we go. Boop, 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 boop. Gonna try and put them in order before I have placed them. Gonna go with the Amsterdam White again. I think we just found the boogie in there. Surely I have another white, correct? I think I do down yonder. Alrighty. And let's go with Artist Loft Primary Red. Shake, shake, shake. Shake, shake, shake. Alright. Alright. Now we're going to go with the navy. My own little mix. I'm going to miss this when it's gone. I am. Alrighty. A little bit more whitey-do. If it'll happen. Nope. Oh, there's a... Oh, There we go. Oh, I hope things cool off quicker than they're saying. Goodness. Let's put some 24K gold into here. Hopefully it won't take over. Just going to do a little bit. And now we're going to go with Amsterdam Pyrrole Red. And, well, mixed with a little bit of Artist Lost Silver to make it glossy. So, okay. Not glossy, but yeah. Metallic. That might be the word I was looking for. It's killing me not to use a blue or purple, guys. It really is. Do I have any orange? Let's find out. I am glad you asked. Alright, we got Artist Lost Neon Orange. This may turn out to look like heaven only knows. I wanted to do a paint pour yesterday, but I came down to that stencil instead. So I was down here, it's like, yeah, I don't know what I want to do. I don't know. Alright, there we got another orange. I guess I could stick some yellow in here, couldn't I? Okay, we'll do that. Wow. And we're going to go again with the one with all the bloops in it. That doesn't have a lid. Oh, you can definitely see the metallic in that. What was the metallic I put in there? The gold, 24K gold. Okay, alrighty. I want to reach for a blue. Let's put more white in here, titanium white. Hopefully everything I'm using will be available on Amazon. There we go, that's the name of it. So I can put the link in there so you can find it right away. And let's go with more of the Amsterdam Pyrrole Red. Alright, and one more bloop of this Amsterdam Pearl Strawberry Red. And I should have gloves on for this, shouldn't I? But since we're going to go up and take a shower, I'm not too concerned. I could do a flip cup. That would be a different one, wouldn't it? That'd be a switch from the old everyday stuff that I've been doing lately. Or I could do a ring pour. We are going to do a flip cup. Okay. Pretend to find the center. Yes. I knew I couldn't do it. Alrighty. Give things a moment to get. I could have done a grenade. Dang it. Or I could have done a ribbon. Dang it. These things have totally just... They've gone elsewhere in the brain. Let's see how this... Ooh. Okay. Do a little lippy here. Try not to pick up too much in the cup. There's a lot in there. Alrighties. It's, I don't know, is that good or bad, guys? What do you think? Eek, 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 eek. Let me reach you down here and... There we go. Grabbing some Artist Lost White glow acrylics. that's working nicely. I don't know about that navy in there. I think black would have been better. But who am I to say? Who am I to say? Alright, set you over there. Oh, and it's going over the side, isn't it, guys? Going over the side. Alright. And let's torch it real quickly. Nothing around here is going to catch on fire. There are some cute cells coming up in here. Do you see them? Oh, my goodness. What's a yellow? Oh. Okay, here we go. Everything out of my way. Trying to keep you in frame here. It has been a long time since I've done one of these. Wow. Okay, whoopsie-do. Looks like maybe an up-close planet. Oh, I know what I forgot. Yeah. Yes, I forgot paper towels. Let's see if I can find one here. Yes. Yay. Yeah, an up close of a planet. Possibly the sun. You know, on the dark side of the sun. Oh my gracious. Okay. But I happen to say it's on 12 by 12. Because it is. Alright, let's do a torch one more time. I've used no silicone in this. Wow, this is different. Okay. And let's bring you down for a close-up. Excuse me, I need those seat belts and helmets on, please. I'm trying to decide if I want to tilt more to get rid of this white here. But I'm kind of liking it. But yet I'm not. Let's go down for a close-up. Here we are. We're heading on down. There goes the chair, maybe. Yep, there goes the chair. Well, it looks like a green there, doesn't it? Navy and yellow would make green. Okay, yes, I should have used black. Dang it. There's some crisp lines there. Oh, more here. Yay. We're going to leave that there. We're going to leave it like it is. There are some cells popping up. Well, I'm going to have to go back and see how I stacked those. Surely it wasn't the yellow. Maybe it was the gold. Okay, and there is the gold. That's making cells, but this yellow. It's got me kind of wood. Okay, alrighty guys. I want to thank you for joining me on this wonderful Monday afternoon. I think it's the 17th. I don't know. It'll tell on the video. And thank you to my subscribers. You guys are fabulous. You keep me going. Yes, you do. Everyone take care and Please, if you haven't yet, so, this is a really weird one today, guys. I'm sorry. If you haven't yet, please subscribe so you know when I'll come on next time. And put in the comments what you would like to see me do next. Give me a challenge, okay, guys? Give me a challenge. Everyone stay cool if you can. And we'll make it through this heat wave. We will. We'll see you guys next time. Take care. Happy with a twist. Acrylic Pores Plus. Bye-bye for now, guys.